this is going to be literally mostly a talking video, so if you're bored at the sound of that, then please feel free to click away. But I just want to talk about how I had the bogging down issue on the Beamer. I didn't really think I addressed the sort of route I went with it properly. So if you are having the same problem, I just want to share that information with you. Basically, I started, because there was no engine code or anything, it wasn't registering any misfires or anything like that, that it was giving me nothing. So I changed the spark plugs, and there was a bit of oil on them, but I think that was due to something else that we later found out it was. I changed the camshaft sensors. I was going to change the crankshaft sensor, but I never got round to it. I know I changed the diesel valve as well, and the idle control valve was changed. And then after all of that, I found out that it was the MAF sensor. The way I found out about this, and a good way to test if you have got running issues and bogging down at certain speeds and that, get some WD-40 contact cleaner, spray the MAF sensor, like take it out of the car obviously, spray the MAF sensor, spray the connections, and see if it changes the way it runs. If it does, then it's more than likely that. I changed mine. Granted, I changed mine for a cheap one, a £25 one, but really if you're going to change it, you want to go for like more expensive, so probably maybe £95–90 around that area. But yeah, it turned out to be that. So after all of that, it turned out to be that. I did end up having to change a spark plug on cylinder 3 because I had a misfire, but I think that was down to the MAF sensor giving an incorrect reading for the airflow, so therefore it wasn't running right and it was getting an incorrect mix in the cylinder. I did briefly start getting a misfire on 6, but it has stopped, so I think maybe the cylinder's cleared it out. Really, I should change the spark plug on 6, but I haven't really got the funds at the minute, so we'll see how it goes. If it comes up again, I'm just gonna have to change it. But yeah, that is basically how I sorted out my issue with bogging down. Not a long video, but just thought I'd let you guys know. If it did help, or if you are enjoying the channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. Until the next time, peace.